This lady doesn't know how to do video. But I'm going to trust her with an iPhone and hopefully she won't cover up the camera.
This is gonna go well.
In this video, it's very early. I'm half awake. But I'm going to show you I got to have it every morning. It's Bulletproof Coffee, even though I don't use anything bulletproof related. Sorry, Dave Asprey. Whoa. This here is our fancy espresso machine. And I like to multitask a lot. 1 second. Alright, now that you can hear me. Alright, so Bulletproof Coffee. I gotta have this stuff every day. If not, something's wrong with my brain. It kind of like fires. What do you give? She's giving me a weird, dirty look over there. I think it's because my brain's always off. She's nodding. But yeah, so all the good fats and stuff like that, and also the butter, which typically you want to go for grass-fed. I don't think we did because we're lazy sometimes, but you throw yourself a tablespoon of this butter in there. I don't know even what she's looking at that video.
Butter.
Oh, butter. Some MCT oil. This is the stuff from On It, and I use some coffee. That is just some espresso grade coffee on the line, but nothing crazy fancy. But the whole thing is like, if you could get some good fats in your brain in the morning, start the day off with a little thing of water and some Himalayan sea salt in there for hydration in the morning. Drink that first. Throw this. Heather, walk with me, please. Come over here to my cooking show.
You put the wine in it?
Wine? Yeah. Ranch 32 is good stuff. Here. Alright, stay there. Got to process down. Here we go. So we got a tablespoon of butter. You got that water plus espresso mix. You can just make coffee. This stuff, I just eyeball it. Should be like another tablespoon or something.
Jeez.
Hey, what's cheesing?
It's not a tablespoon.
Cinnamon, I don't know. I just throw it in there. And agave. I get a little bit bored if there's nothing sweet in there. Whoop, tiniest amount. And then, Lintastic. 20 seconds. Good enough. I don't have 20 seconds. Look at the froth. Look at that thing. Wait, you can't see it. Yeah. It's like a Guinness of coffee. It's amazing. Okay. It's just so good. But the whole thing, it's like, it tastes a little different than normal coffee, yeah, but look at how frothy and awesome it is. I mean, yeah. The whole thing is try this out. You'll be thinking a little better. You know what's going on. So, this is me half awake until I have this, and I'm like, wow, super fire! All right, Heather, what do you think?
It's almost as good as the latte you make me. It's over here. It's a normal latte.
You know what? Just like Swinnerton, my mom's company, EGP, we build cool shit. Hi there. Thank you for...
Just leave it. Just keep rolling.
All right, yeah. Oh, this guy. Yeah, it's yeah. Hey, thanks for watching that quick tip. It was amazing. You're amazing. And to get more from us, basically the best place is to sign up for the Weekly Profit.
TheWeeklyProfit.com. I really should have put it on the whiteboard, huh? That would have been smart.
Yes, you should, but we're not that smart. So it's at TheWeeklyProfit.com. It's basically a little digest email that we sent one per week, and you'll see all the cool stuff from that week, totally free stuff that you'll love. If you love these, you'll love that. TheWeeklyProfit.com. You'll get some stuff from that guy as well, and we'll see you later. Bye. Thank you.